I told him to be at 2 o'clock in my office for a meeting, and he was not there. And when I called him, he went to the Formula One qualification races on a Saturday for the race on the Sunday. On the Sunday, and I told him, Mario, I told him, you have to come to my office at 2 o'clock. And he was saying, meetings in your office I can have every day, but to see the Formula One, the Formula One is only once a year in Italy. So this is a funny situation. Obviously, in the moment, it's difficult to accept, because we are speaking about top professional football, but a kid of 18, 19 to have one of these naive reactions.
So you didn't laugh at the time?
Not at the time, but a couple of days later I have to.
Waited 7 months for that. It must feel a little bit special.
Feels special, different day, same quality only. So I'm not worried. I'm not worried at all, because I know what I do. I train hard, sacrifice a lot, and it's my head that is playing. My knee just need to follow, so I'm not worried at all.
It's a remarkable recovery. You come back a good month early, probably. Was there ever a moment you thought it might not happen?
No, because lions, they don't recover like humans.
We're doing lions again, yeah?
We do the lion again, yeah.
Paul,